Well, here's today's project. Bobcat T-190. I gotta take the tracks off, check everything, check the final drive, well, change the final drive oils, which means I have to take the track off and the sprocket off and check everything else while I'm in there. I just pressure washed it, cleaned it pretty good. I did a bunch of welding work on this bucket a couple weeks back. Somebody cut the bucket off shorter because the cutting edge was wore out. And I welded the cutting edge on, extended it, put a bucket bite on it. I just washed it. If you see the little lack there of covers I took off, they were full of sand right to the top. I'd say nobody ever has pulled the covers off and cleaned out the foot pedal wells. I got blocked up so I can get the tracks. I gotta slack them up. I gotta put the shut off solenoid linkage here. I gotta put a seal on that. It's a reman engine. I didn't even know how many hours it's got on it now. Nobody told me. It's only like a year old. So, and for some reason the shaft seal's leaking, probably because somebody screwed it up when they rebuilt it. But I gotta check it all over. Somebody welded a receiver on there. Hacked a nice notch in the door. That could have been done nicer. Otherwise, seems to be a pretty good machine. Tracks are a little chewed up. Not as bad as I previously thought they were. I gotta check the rollers, see how they are. Yeah, that one's not moving. That's fine. Just something stuck in it, mud. Come on, you damn thing, turn it. Yes. Bearings aren't blowing out of them. Yeah, she's a little rusty. I think it's been around salt some. I hate when people do that to buckets. They cut them off shorter. It was right at the tip of this block welded on there. It was so short he couldn't see the cutting edge from in the machine. So I extended it for him. Fixed it with what I had on hand. Well, I'll see what I find. Well, I already ran the front of the track off. Got that one off. Should have filmed it, but of course I didn't think of it. Of course I don't have my tripod here. Left it on a tractor that isn't here. Of course I didn't.
When you put the boom up, you just stick it in there.
It popped right off, but trying to film without a tripod, which I forgot. Back it up. Back it up. It is off. They're easy to move around.
Besides showing the chewed up.
Well, I'm back. Tracks off. Sprockets off. Final drives hit oil on them, which is good. You don't want to run them out of oil. Another thing is the case return line on the brakes. I got the hoses. Well, here it is. If you can see, it's about rotted right off. Somebody put new drive motor hoses on because hole. That's what happens when you let them wear through the hole right to the drive motor hoses. So other side's the same way, but the hoses they look to be original, but they're not bad. I had to let the thing right down the floor to get the cab up to look in there, which they go into the side anyway, but makes it easier to drain the oil out of the final drives anyway, which I had lead down anyway, so. What else do I got to do on this? I gotta change a couple filters, return line filters. Well, here's the finished product, more or less. Patch the hole. I cut that one out. I gotta do that. I got the piece cut out. I gotta get that bent and welded in there. Yeah, that's where the cover goes, and it had a notch cut right through it from the track. The track running on it. It cut a hole right through. I'd say that's why this side wasn't the worst one, right? No, actually, yeah, I think that was the worst side. Yet this side has had new drive motor hoses put on, which I just had that sitting on there. There's the brake return hose I gotta take and put a new 90 era 45 on it, and a new hose because that was rusted right through. Only reason it hadn't popped is it doesn't really have pressure on it much. If anything. see how much else I can get done today. Well, I'm back. Got this cover welded up. Gotta clean the mud out of the sprockets. Actually, this one's got to go on the other side and rotate the sprockets. Things are heavy. Ah, crap. It's starting to rain out. And my welder's out. Where to put my can of never seized. They came out a bit hard last time, so never seize them. Because I'm sure in a couple years I'll have it apart again. The guy check the oils. By then probably putting new tracks on it, if need be. See if the track's got a few more years in them, I think. Oh, I think you get the gist to it. Well, I'm back. Got the tracks on. Gotta grease them up. Or tension them up. Got the hose in. Got the covers all on. Just gotta get the tracks tensioned. then she'll be done. Oh yeah, that was the other thing I did. I fixed the muffler up. I had to cut the heat shield away and braze it all up because it was all busted out and kind of rotten, but cheaper than a new muffler. And it come out pretty good. Lasts a few more years. Help the guy out.